some information about Paramvir Chakra, means who has made it and when it was made and when it is given to the soldier. So let's read it, and you open your textbook. I will explain the information about Paramvir Chakra. Student, listen carefully. Open your English textbook, page number 20, lesson number 1.7, Paramvir Chakra, our heroes. See first paragraph. You may have heard about legendary heroes of the past and their extraordinary acts of bravery. But even today, many brave soldiers of our country sacrifice their own lives for our safety. Their brave deeds are honored by bestowing military decorations on them. So student, you may have heard about legendary. So what is the meaning of legendary? Legendary means very famous, means it is also called extraordinary or very special. It is called legendary, means student, you may have heard about extraordinary, very special heroes of the past and their extraordinary acts of bravery. Extraordinary means very special acts of bravery. But even today, many brave soldiers of our country sacrifice their own lives for our safety. Means student, you know, when the soldier sacrifice his life for our country, means for our nation, in India he is always honored with the medal. He is honored for his sacrifice, and for that he is presented with Paramvir Chakra. So their brave deeds are honored by bestowing military decoration, means Paramvir Chakra. So Paramvir Chakra is India's highest military decoration. It is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery of some daring or preeminent act of valor or self-sacrifice in the presence of the enemy, whether on land, at sea or in the air. Means student, when our soldiers fight bravely, so they given Paramvir Chakra is India's highest military decoration, and it is awarded most conspicuous. Conspicuous means outstanding. It is also called outstanding performance of brave person. It is called conspicuous bravery or some daring or preeminent. Preeminent means very great or outstanding act of valor. Valor means great or great courage or in battle. Battle means or, means when our soldiers doing act, very brave act, it is called preeminent in or self-sacrifice in the presence of the enemy, means against of enemies, whether on land, at sea or in the air. So here is land, sea and in the air. So student, that all you know that Indian armed forces are the military forces of Republic, means in India it consists in 3 professional Indian services, that is the Indian Army organization, means military force equipped for fighting on land. First fighting on land, then second is Indian Navy which conducts military operation at sea, and then third one is Indian Air Force. It branch of armed forces concerned with fighting or defense with in the air, means land, sea and in the air. Then the Paramvir Chakra is a very rare honor. So far it has been awarded only 21 times. 14 of these awards were given posthumously. Means student, very rare. The Paramvir Chakra is very rare honor. Means student, very rare means not common, means very unusual. So Paramvir Chakra is not common, it is very unusual, means so far it has been awarded only 21 times, and out of 21, 14 of these awards were given posthumously. Posthumously means after a person's death. means when soldier death, it is given to 14 times. So student, Paramveer Chakra is very highest military decoration. It is very rare honor. So student, you understand this paragraph? Okay. So student, in next lecture we will see some more information about Paramveer Chakra. Okay student, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.